is Billy Williams, president of Inspire Nation Business Mentoring and the Williams Family Insurance and Investment Group. Hey, I want to invite everybody out to the Fix My Insurance Agency workshop. We're going to have workshops that are virtual so that everyone in your business, everyone in your agency can attend. And we're going to have workshops that are in person so that the key people that need to be there can be there for the step-by-step implementation. The Fix My Insurance Agency workshop is going to discuss the 26 core processes that it takes to run a successful insurance agency. Everything from marketing and prospecting to lead management to sales to new customer onboarding, claims, endorsements, policy renewals, rate increases, everything that you need to make sure your agency is successful. And not just processes. We're going to talk about technology. We're going to talk about AI. We're going to talk about the tools that you need. So you're saying, I'm excited. How do I make this happen? Well, here's what's going to happen. 90% of you are going to get excited, but you're not going to take an action. You're not going to do anything. You're just going to be excited for a moment. 5% of you will say, at least let me go to inspireanation.org and look at the website. Let me see what they have available. 2% of you will say, I'm going to sign up now. The other 3% of you will wait till the last minute. Seats could be gone. And then you say, man, I wish I had done it. But for the 90% of you that are excited and won't take an action, go on back to your day, keep doing what you're doing. I want to talk to the 10% that's going to make a difference in their agency, that's going to do something that's going to make their legacy, their agency, their staff better. So for you 10%, go to inspireanation.org. That's inspireanation.org. Look for the next available workshop dates and locations, and let's get you signed up and let's grow your agency.